Hello everyone, hope everyone is fine. Today I am gonna share an interactive and dynamic dashboard with all of you. This is the attendance and working hour tracker dashboard. This is dynamic. Here I will show you, like, if you choose something like this will be automatically changes everything basis on that. And if we choose here also, this will also change the data. As you can see here also. So this data sheet is coming from this attendance from here. If you want to change something manually, you can't. As you can see, you have to enter new data by this from. And here, if you want to choose the date, you can do it by this, something like this. You can change the minute here also. This thing also. As you can see, I am changing now. Here the total hours will be calculated basis on this, and the leave type will be chosen. And if you want to put some remark here, you can put it here, and after the submit button here, this the newly inputted data. And if you want to update the data, you just have to select the cell like this, and here you can update it. If you want to change the data, you can do that also. Here, as you can see. And if you want to delete some row, just click on that and delete it. This form is working like this, and this is the employment info and list. So that's it. Thanks for watching.